Hello, I'm Tom High. I am the physician at Thomas J. High, MD Family Medicine. We're located at 960 Johnson Ferry Road near the intersection of Georgia 400 and I-285. I was with a large group practice of family physicians for 20 years, and as that group of physicians sold themselves to Northside Hospital, I realized that I did not want to work for a hospital or an insurance company or any other institution, but wanted to continue to have a patient-centered practice in which the patient-physician relationship is the most important aspect of the relationship. For patients who are members of our practice, communication becomes easy. My personal telephone number is given to patients as well as my personal email address. I daily process phone calls, texts, and emails from patients, and when it's time to come see me in the office, you have preferential appointment times, long appointment times, and there are no limits to the number of appointments that you can have during the year. We do accept insurance, but the insurance is usually paid for laboratory testing and other services, and we follow the insurance company rules for referrals and hospitalizations and medications. The physician portion of services will be paid by the membership fee. Family medicine is the general practice of medicine, and we can do a wide variety of services for very many people. High blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, thyroid illnesses. I also can do office gynecology, doing routine well-woman examinations, pap smears, and coordinating mammography. We do a good deal of dermatology and skin surgery, removing blemishes, warts, and moles, and we can provide psychosocial services for people who find themselves in stressful situations with work or with family or with other situations. I am board certified in family medicine, which means that I have taken examinations over the past 30 years to maintain credentials. I am on the active staff of Northside Hospital, and I'm a member of the Atlanta Medical Association. I'm a Tennessean by birth and raising, and I went to high school and college in my hometown, but I did a stint in the Army for 3 years, spending most of that in Germany. I went to the University of Tennessee Medical School in Memphis and followed that with 3 years of residency at the University of Kentucky Medical School in Lexington. I'm the father of 2 children. They're adult children, educated and married. One lives in London and recently delivered twins on Christmas Eve. My son is married and lives in Boston. He came into the world as a surprise. I was working in Stone Mountain at the time, and my wife calls in the afternoon to say that she's in labor. As I'm driving home from Stone Mountain to Buckhead, I receive a second page, and at that time had to find a phone booth in order to call home. When I was able to call home, my wife was just being sure that I was on the way, and so I proceeded home and came in to my house through the back door, where a large suitcase for my wife was sitting next to a small suitcase for my daughter. As I entered the kitchen, I heard a moan from the living room, and I realized that my son was already arrived in the living room while I was driving from Stone Mountain. When you call or make an appointment, and when you come in, you'll be met by Terry Slay, who's been my medical assistant for many years. Terry knows many of the patients by name and family and relationship, and has helped them through their health and illness as much as I have. Our other staff member is Carrie King, who does our business side of things. I've known Ms. King for decades, and she will generally solve any problems that we have with insurance or billing. Thank you so much for watching the video today. I hope this has given you some insight into who I am and my philosophy of medicine. We look forward to serving you in a physician-patient relationship and encourage you to call for an appointment at your convenience.